Knowing how to take care of your skin might seem simple, but a lot of the times we make tiny mistakes that it can ruin our skin. So in this video, I'll show you those skincare mistakes, how to fix them so then you can have more clear skin. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video and let's begin. So the first skincare mistake I didn't realize I used to do, and I bet a lot of people still do, is not disinfecting your phone daily. Our phones hold so much nasty bacteria that you have no idea. We take them everywhere, including the bathroom. Don't tell me you don't. So imagine all the bacteria laying on your phone at this exact moment, and then that bacteria transferred to your hands, which goes to your hair when you touch it, and then to your face when someone calls you. So yes, this little mistake can potentially cause you unnecessary breakouts. So all you're gonna do is to grab your hand sanitizer, spray it on your phone every day, and you're good to go. Or if you are picky like me and want a deeper cleaning, use alcohol wipes. These are gonna make sure your phone is super clean.
Hello, what's up?
My next skincare mistake that it will cause you more acne is using too many acne products in your routine. Unless your doctor specifically recommended it, then obviously do it. Otherwise, you might be causing yourself more breakouts than you should have. I have been there. Washing my face with acne cleanser, then putting a spot treatment, astringent next, acne moisturizer, salicylic acid face mask, and the list goes on. So if you use too many acne treatments at the same time, you are drying out your skin, which might become irritated and with this trigger more acne. So the way you fix this is to stick to one acne treatment at a time and use a gentle, not medicated versions for the rest of your skincare products. For example, a hydrating facial cleanser, a fragrance-free moisturizer, or rose water toner. If I get a cystic acne, what I use is a spot treatment to just get rid of it. Stick to one and that's it. Washing this off. Avoiding moisturizer is one of the biggest skincare mistakes that I ever made in the past, which can actually trigger acne and clog your pores even more. Acne and oily skin needs moisture. Point. Just because your skin is oily doesn't mean it is hydrated, and when your skin dries out, it produces more oil than normal, which can lead to more breakouts, clogged pores. So girl, you need this. So a simple way to fix this is to start with a water-based moisturizers. They are lightweight, so it feels comfortable on the skin, and a lot of the times these type of moisturizers are the most suitable for acne prone skin. By the way, that's how I started with moisturizers, and now this is me loving thick moisturizers. Anyways, talking about hydration, I would like to thank Believe for sponsoring this video. Wherever you go, now you can stay glowy, hydrated, and protected with Believe Glow on the Go Holiday Travel Kit. The thing that I really like about this set is that it gives you the opportunity to try a full Believe skincare routine with these 5 samples. Minis, because as you can see, it comes with Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, a hydrating cleanser made with amino acids and glycerin base that gently remove makeup without stripping the skin. It also has Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner, perfect for smoother, softer, healthier looking skin. This is a water-based, super hydrated and lightweight. Also, this set comes with Moisturizing Eye Balm, the ultimate pre-makeup eye cream that provides to your under eyes 26 hours burst of hydration. It also has Aqua Bomb, the perfect moisturizer for combo, oily, and normal skin. Once you put it on, it cools down and refreshes the skin. It's like a drink of water for dull skin. And this set also comes with Aqua Bomb Sunscreen. This is a 2-in-1 moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 50 that not only hydrates, it doesn't leave white casts. I know. Besides how cute and convenient this set is to travel with, these minis are the perfect way to try Believe's favorite products before committing to the full size. Plus, you're still getting great value out of it. Right now, Sephora's VIP sales are running between October 28th and November 7th, where you can get up to 20% off. So make sure to click the link in the description down below to check out Believe.
Are you gonna dress up?
Unfortunately, with acne comes a lot of scarring and dark spots, so my next skincare mistake is not wearing sunscreen when you have acne. Wearing sunscreen is the easiest way to minimize acne scars and dark spots left from acne. Not only protects your skin from UV damage, which can cause hyperpigmentation, it also protects from blue light, which is caused by electronics like your phone and computers. And yes, this light can also worsen your dark spots or even cause them as well. So yeah, our precious phones are so bad. So we need skin protection all day long. So here's some of the rules when it comes to using sunscreen. Whether you are inside or outside of your house, you need to wear sunscreen daily. If you plan to be outside, apply sunscreen 15 minutes before so that it is properly absorbed into your skin, which activates it.
Don't laugh. Seriously, try.
Also, reapply every 2 hours. In my opinion, any sunscreen works, but for acne-prone skin, oil-free sunscreens are well recommended. However, I bet you're like me, you don't like white cast. So here are 3 of my favorite ones that I have discovered so far that are not oily and works on brown skin, as you can see. Another insane skincare mistake that it can ruin your skin is taking pure omega-3 supplements. Wait, what? I know, I'm a big fan of this vitamin for promoting healthy hair and skin, and I used to take them, but it shocked me when my dermatologist told me that if you're not deficient in this vitamin, or if you already have acne, sometimes in some people, I'm not saying everybody, it can trigger or worsen your acne. So after my conversation with her, I stopped taking this supplement completely and replace it with collagen, which is the best decision ever because my skin looks so much healthier. Collagen can help with skin texture and firmness. So the way I take collagen is in the morning, I add 2 scoops to my coffee, drink it, which doesn't taste like anything, and that's it. And from now on, I get omega-3s in my diet from eating flat seeds, yes, just like that, or from salmon, and this seems to be working for my skin much better.
Oh, I swallow them.
I hope you know that exfoliation is key for having clear skin. So with that in mind, my next skincare mistake is using physical exfoliators on acne skin. There's no doubt about it that exfoliation is good for getting rid of dead skin, for smoothing out texture, treating acne scars. So it has so many benefits for acne skin. However, when you use the wrong exfoliation, not so much. The friction involved when you use facial scrubs with rough or grainy consistency, for example, can irritate your already inflamed skin, causing redness, more inflammation on the cystic acne, or even worsening your breakouts. I get it. I've been there again. It is so painful when that happens, and nobody told me that it was bad. So the best solution here is replacing physical exfoliation with chemical exfoliation. I started with lactic acid, which is the best for sensitive skin, and most of the time is very mild. And once I got used to it, I introduced stronger ones into my routine. Like for example, this one from The Ordinary, which I like to call the vampire face mask. Oh. Remember, when you use chemical exfoliators, you need to apply them at night. Don't overuse them, and always wear sunscreen. Those are the rules, and if you don't stick to them,
Don't even try, okay? Honey, I really don't like to overuse this one because it's very strong. It's like a cocktail of all the chemical exfoliators. This one is more like a treatment that I do 1 or 2 times a month. Honey,
I don't know who needs to hear this, probably me, but in order to reduce inflammation in your body, most of the time all you need is to sleep 8 hours a day. Yes, lack of sleep is a skincare mistake that it will ruin your skin. We hear it all the time, but do we really follow? Listen, our bodies need sleep to recover and regenerate, and when you have poor sleep, all you cause is cortisol levels to rise, which can put you at risk of more acne or even trigger acne because you're causing more inflammation in your body. And on top of that, a stressful day, you understand now at this point, right? So if you tell me, Doro, I don't have money for skincare, something you do have free is making your sleep a priority. So definitely rest well every day. You know, that kind of rest that you just wake up and the birds are singing and you can literally listen to them. And who knows, that could be the only thing you needed for your acne to heal.
you need to sleep.
Other massive skincare mistake that I used to do is applying so many products without knowing what you're doing with them. Probably a lot of the time I was overusing some of these products that I was not supposed to overuse, especially when you have acne. You don't want to irritate your skin. So that is why if you guys feel like overwhelmed with skincare, I will recommend you to check out my skin cycling video combined with all the skincare mistakes that I just showed you in this video. Obviously avoid them, not implemented them, you know. My skin has cleared out. I love you guys. I really hope that this video is useful. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel. Like my Spanish version was about to come out of me. I was about to say, by subscribing to this channel right here. You know, now I got shy. No, not really. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will get to see you,
Honey.
in the next video. Pura Vida.